Welcome to Ian Gold Team Spark. Pag-usapan natin ngayon ang Depot and Stockies Franchise Program ng Ian Gold International. Hayaan niyong ipakilala ko sa inyo ang aming kumpanya. The vision of the company is to be the leading digital marketing and leverage marketing company here in the Philippines and abroad. Meet our CEO, Mr. Cloyd Valencia. He has 12 years experience in network marketing industry. He is also an IT professional and siya mismo ang nag-design at gumawa ng ating system. Our company is purely legal. It has all the necessary permits and licenses to operate a legitimate business here in the Philippines. And our head office is located at Ortigas Center, Pasig City. What is Ion Gold? Ion Gold is an online business designed for entrepreneurs and online networkers which provides latest technology and features that make business easy, fast, and convenient, thus providing a golden opportunity to all entrepreneurs. Diyan po kinuha ang pangalan nating Ion Gold. It is a long-term business. Kung pag-aaralan natin ang business model ni Ion Gold, it runs into three powerful industries of today. Nandiyan ang e-commerce o mas kilala sa online shopping. We have franchising and also network marketing. At the heart of the company's strategy is what we call holistic marketing because the company continuously provide value for its people, product, and business system. Lahat po ng features na hinahanap natin sa isang kumpanya, makikita niyo po kay Ion Gold. May replicated website, e-commerce website, our products are free delivery nationwide, and mobile marketing continuously being upgraded today. Ang e-commerce ni Ion Gold is unique in itself. Once na maging distributor ka ng Ion Gold International, you will get your own personalized online store. This is the example of an online store. Makikita mo dyan lahat ng product line ni Ion Gold, ranging from skincare, healthcare, and beverages. And you can even actually do shopping online. Just go to the website and you can buy these products, pay it online at the same time. Our products are highly manufactured by our manufacturing firm, which is with certified good manufacturing practice, ISO certified, halal certified, and it has Food and Drug Administration certification as well. Our manufacturing firm is no less than Integrated Manufacturing Services Providers Incorporated, located in Las Piñas City, Philippines. We have replicating website, which is a powerful tool to promote our business online. At the back office, or what we call virtual office, you will find all the online referral tools that you can use to promote your business. We have referral links for marketing plan, for your online store, for your design up links, and even with the different products that the company have. So our company runs a business online via internet, and you can promote your business through different social media sites like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and many more. Online shopping today is a huge industry. Kung may pipiliin tayong online shopping model, there is no successful Filipino company other than Lazada.com. Alam niyo ba na pwedeng hindi ka na pumunta ng mall para bumili ng mga bagay na gusto mong bilhin? Lazada.com provides a wide range of products and services na pwede mong ma-avail via online. How it works? Yung customer goes to the website of Lazada.com, shop, check out, meaning process the payment, and upon the confirmation of order and payment by Lazada.com, Lazada will eventually send and deliver the products to the customer via tie-up courier like LBC and JRS. And this online store system is supported by a marketing program called referral system, wherein a customer can refer other customers. And once the referred customer buy product at the website of lazada.com, then the referrer receives commission from the company, from Lazada itself. In like manner, Iyon Gold Online Shopping has a unique feature. Makikita po natin dyan na may similarities yung dalawa because our products and services are all available in our website. So how it works, the buyer goes to the online store, which is a website, selects the product, processes payment, and upon confirmation of the payment, Iyon Gold International will send the products via courier like LBC and JRS. Same system is supported with another marketing system, which is in the case of Iyon Gold International, this is supported by network marketing. Network marketing uses the power of word of mouth advertising. Yung pag kinento mo sa kapitbahay mo, sa kaopisina mo, they are even enticed to buy also the same products. Introducing, we have franchise opportunity dito sa Iyon Gold International. You can start your very own business for a district franchise depot for only 50,000 pesos or a mobile stockist for only 25,000 pesos. Ang goal ni Iyon Gold International ay lagyan lahat ng bayan sa Pilipinas ng depot and stockist franchise owners. So anong kagandahan yan? When the online buyer goes to the online store, to the website, buys a product, hindi na po ipapadala ni Iyon Gold via courier yung produkto na binili ng online buyer. Bagkus, the system will detect the address ng online buyer kung saan ipapadala yung produkto at pag nakita niya na may certain depot or stockist doon sa area, it will alert the stockist or the depot to deliver the product to the online buyer. So, anong magandang outcome nun? It will lessen or even minimize the cost of delivery charges. And that is a big business for all prospective depot and stockists. Ano ba yung depot and stockist franchise na yan? It is an ideal add-on business to an existing business. Mas priority ng company yung may mga existing businesses na. Depot has territorial exclusivity in a municipality or city, meaning isang depot lang sa bawat syudad o munisipyo. Ang stockist has no area or territorial exclusivity kahit ilang stockist meron sa isang lugar. Depot has a requirement for a physical store and office. Ang stockist naman, because it is mobile, it has no physical store requirement. And the return of investment is projected to come in 6 months to 1 year of operations. So Depot has an initial capital requirement of 50,000 and Stockist has an initial capital requirement of 25,000. And if you look at the breakdown of the initial capital requirement, it goes to a gold package business account for the prospective depot and stockists, and the remaining goes to the repeat order or product inventory as well as for privilege card. In some cases, nalalabi po namin na lahat ng remaining balances after na ma-deduct na yung gold package ay mapapunta doon sa product inventory. So paano ka kikita as a depot or stockist franchise owner ng Iyon Gold International? Pag-usapan natin yung potential ways to earn. First, the business package rebates. May 4 na packages tayo sa Iyon Gold International. We have starter pack worth 500 pesos. We have bronze pack worth 3,980 pesos. We have silver pack which is 7,960 pesos and gold pack which is 15,920 pesos. Bawat packages may corresponding point value kung saan dyan binabase yung ating mga commissions. may corresponding referral bonus, and of course, yung tinatawag nating package rebate between depot and stockists. Obviously, mas malaki ang rebates lagi ng depot over sa stockists. Then we have the product reorder rebates. So we have 12.5% from distributor price for Buwa Mera products para sa depot and 10% naman para sa stockists sa Buwa Mera products. In other products, 7.5 for the depot and 5% naman para sa stockists. Kagandahan nito, upon reorder ng products, the company will directly put the commissions doon sa tinatawag na store rebates wallet. At lahat po ng products ni Ion Gold may corresponding point value. Of course, may specific tayong distributor price at yung napag-usapan natin kaninang reorder rebate ng depot at saka ng stockists goes directly to the stores or store rebates wallet. Third way to earn is the direct selling profit. Pag SRP na ibenta yan, ng stockist or ng depot, mas malaki yung direct selling profit niya. Pag starter account holder naman ang bumili, of course, dahil ang starter account holder, they are only given up to 15% discount, may kikitain pa rin direct selling profit ang isang depot or ang isang stockist. Ito pang-apat na ways to earn, which is exclusive for Team Spark. This is our strategy as a team para bigyan ng ayuda ang mga depot and stockist franchise owners. We combine the activation code with the highest point value with non-coded products. And we have different builder pack types. Nandiyan ang Buwa Mera Builder Pack with an outright profit of 135 pesos. We have what we call Fat Slim Builder Pack, an outright profit of 100 pesos. Coffee Natin Builder Pack, an outright profit of 90 pesos. And lastly, the Goji Builder Pack, worth 1,500 pesos, but it will give the stockist or a depot an outright profit of 300 pesos. Last way to earn is what we call the Gold Package Account Earning Potential or the Power of Gold Pack. This will go on the networking side of the business. Pag may benta kang dalawang gold sales, as a stockist with a gold account, you can have two scenarios. Either you earn 12,000 pesos or an 8,000 pesos. That depends. So paano ba yun? Our company is based on matching bonuses, pays as commission via matching bonuses. So as a gold account holder, basta meron kang 1,000 point value sa left group sales mo, 1,000 point value sa right group sales mo, pag na-detect ng system na meron kang 1,000 sa left, 1,000 sa right, ma-match na yan. Every regular matching, it is paid with the amount of 2,500. Doon sa illustration natin, 2,000 kasi point value ang nag-match, kaya naging 5,000 yung kanyang reward. Pag ikaw naman may personal gold pack sales ka at yan ay nag-match, then the matching becomes 4,000 pesos. Mas malaki yung earning potential. So what are the business advantages? First, meron tayong starter package na malaking pakinabang para sa mga depot and stockists. Secondly, meron tayong tinatawag na highly consumable and fast-moving products na talaga namang very marketable. Yung compensation plan natin based on point system and may greater point accumulation advantage ang pagiging isang stockist or isang depot. The marketing plan itself mandates na kailangan merong 125 points personal monthly sales ang bawat members, which emphasizes the power of repeat sales. So mas kikita ang depot and stockist. Lastly, may solid vision timeline ng company. Kaya we can expect long-term business relationships with Ion Gold International. For further information, visit our team website www.iongoldspark.wixsite.com slash Bison